Ever wished you could do hours of market research in just minutes? What if I told you Google just released a free AI tool that can analyze trends, competitors, and even your niche automatically? Today I'm showing you step-by-step how to use Google AI Studio to turn data overwhelm into market insight. No coding, no fluff. And stick around because I'm giving away a full prompt file and a Notion cheat sheet to help you copy-paste your way to smarter decisions. Let's dive in. Hey, I'm George, and I help creators, solopreneurs, and marketers unlock the power of AI tools to save time and grow faster. Welcome to NextGen AI Tools. If you're tired of guessing what your audience wants, this tutorial is going to change the game for you. Make sure you like and subscribe because I break down the best AI tools every week. Now let's talk about why Google AI Studio is a game changer. So, what is Google AI Studio? It's a platform where you can interact with Google's Gemini AI, but unlike ChatGPT, it connects directly to Google's ecosystem. That means more accurate data about what people are searching, buying, and talking about, and it's designed for prompt engineering, meaning better long-form and structured responses. Live trends. Instantly find what's hot or fading in your niche. Competitor analysis. Ask Gemini to reverse engineer your competitors' strategies. Customer pain points. Generate pain point lists from real data. Content gap discovery. Find what people are searching but not finding. Export ready. Perfect for reports, product planning, or investor decks. Go to https://astudio.google.com/ and log in with your Google account. Choose new prompt. Example. Act as a senior market analyst with more than 10 years of experience in e-commerce. This sets the tone for expert-level responses. Example prompt. I want to launch a DTC skincare brand in the US. Provide a full market research report covering customer pain points, competitor brands, trending keywords, and product gaps. Gemini will generate customer personas, trend analysis, top competitors, untapped niches. Use natural follow-up prompts. Can you turn that into a SWOT analysis? What kind of TikTok content is working for brand X? Suggest 3 viral hooks for content targeting Gen Z. Copy-paste the output into the Notion market research template, link in the description. Organize insights by product, persona, and platform. Let's run a real example together. Prompt: act as a market analyst. Analyze Gen Z skincare buying trends in the US. What are their top concerns? Where do they shop? And what brands do they trust? Gemini responds with top concerns: acne, eco-friendliness, affordability, cruelty-free, shopping channels, TikTok shop, Ulta, Instagram ads, trending brands, The Ordinary, Glow recipe, topicals, follow-up. What are 3 product opportunities in this niche that aren't saturated yet? Gemini suggests affordable SPF mist with skincare actives, biodegradable pimple patches, customizable skincare quiz onboarding. Final output. Paste into Notion for an instant market research file with a competitive advantage. If you found this helpful, I've put together a complete Notion market research template, the exact prompt file, and a Gemini cheat sheet, so you can do this yourself in 10 minutes, even if you're a beginner. Also, let me know in the comments what niche you want me to research next using AI. I might cover it in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next AI tutorial.